Hi y'all, my name is Maggie Hardy. If you don't know, hi, welcome to my channel. How are y'all doing today? So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this beautiful eye look using the Alyssa Edwards and Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette. This palette is stunning. This is the second look that I've done with this palette. I do have a very colorful look up on my Instagram if you want to go check that out. It's pretty much plastered all over my social medias because it just slapped. It did its thing. So I wanted to do more of a wearable look for y'all today. As you know, I am a part of the ABH PR list, so I am doing the kind of unboxing and show y'all the PR at the end of the video. If that's something you're interested in watching, it's at the end of the video. As always, you can follow me on all my other social medias. Everything is linked down below in the description box, so if you want to head over there, follow me. I would love to have you. I'm trying to be more interactive with everybody because y'all are my family, y'all are my VIPs, and I love y'all so much. So without further ado, you guys, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing, of course, that we're going to do is we're going to prime our eyes. So I'm going to use the new Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the eye primer, and it really don't take a lot. This is probably way too much, but we're going to work with it. I'm still playing with it and trying to figure everything out before I actually do a comparison / review on this base. But as always, if you do not have this base, you can use your concealer or your P. Louise, whatever base that you prefer, whatever you use. You use it, girl. So we are going to go in with the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and this is what she looks like. So I'm going to try to stay away from the more colorful looks because simply with all the reviews and the tutorials that I have seen on YouTube and Instagram, they're using these bright colors, which I have actually done a look with, which will be up on, it's on my Instagram if y'all want to go check it out. It's very pigmented, very beautiful. So this is going to be more of an everyday, not very colorful look. First color I'm going to go into is Unicorn Tribe, which is this beautiful light purple. I'm going to take a Morphe M433 and I'm going to just lightly pack this and then start blending this out. I have heard, like, when I used the palette the other day, I tried to do more of the packing motion and they didn't really, the shadows didn't really turn out the way that I wanted to, and I had a friend who told me to actually blend the shadows, which I haven't really just went in and blended an eyeshadow in forever. I'm going to go in with 2 more colors. We're only going to use 3 colors. So I want to make sure this is nice and packed on and blended. We're just going to go in circular motions. I know this looks insane. Now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and I'm going to just lightly buff this up and get this inner corner unsketchy. Like, why are you sketchy? I know why I'm sketchy, because I have crazy eyelids. So we're just lightly, ever so lightly going in and blending this out. Okay, the next shadow that we're going to go into is BBDC, which is a more of a deep purple. And I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A10 brush. I'm going to just put on my outer corner. And first I'm going to pack and lightly blend. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Oh, that's a pretty color. And this I'm just going to keep on the outer portion of my eye. Take it in just a little bit into my crease. When nothing is left on my brush, I'm going to take it up just a little. I'm going to go back in with the first shade that we used, Unicorn Tears, and use this with nothing left on my brush just to blend this out a little bit more. Alright, once I have everything blended out how I like it, I'm going to go in with an Anastasia A25 brush, and we're going to go into Inspire, which is this a beautiful gold. Inspire, yes, Inspire. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to keep this on the inner portion of my eye, blending it in my inner corner, and then we're going to blend this out. Going to blend it up and into that purple. I want to take it about as high as I do the blended shade. So as you can see, it's like a really beautiful radiant from a gold to a light purple to a deep purple. Once I have that, you can go in and touch up. I'm going to add a little bit more of Unicorn Tribe right here in the middle of my eye, just to help blend that out. And I feel like we lost some of that bright purple. And then again with BBDC on the outer corner. Once again, taking a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to lightly blend all this out just so we can have that nice transition at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna go do this to my other eye, put on my full face, and I'll come back looking like a totally different person, and we will finish up the bottom lash line. Alright, so we are back with lipstick, lashes, and a full face. I told you I look like a totally different person, but it is still me. The lashes that I used are Lilly lashes in Lila, and then for my lip combo I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Trouble, and then on top of that I used Venus lip gloss, and this is what those two look like. So we're going to finish up the lower lash line, and we're going to do pretty much the same thing that we did on the top. I'm going to go into BBDC, which was the darker purple, and we will place that down first right here in the outer corner, and I want to connect that with this outer V. Let me look up for y'all. And then we'll go back in with Unicorn Tribe, which was the more of the pinky purple, and blend that out. And I will take this color all the way in because the inner corner highlight is going to make up for the gold in the inner corner. Yep. Oh, I love my friend. I love her so much. Alright, so before we move any farther, I'm going to go into this Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Sugar Glow Kit. And I'm going to take a mix between these two shades right here for my highlights. And we will place this right here on this inner corner and just connect it to the purple. I love how an inner corner highlight can just bring everything together. Just ties everything. Lashes and highlight bring everything together. And then I'm going to use that also up here as my brow bone highlight. Yay, friend! Alright, after we have all of that done, I'm going to go in. This is a MAC. The name of it is honestly so long, but it's just a nude eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with a nude eyeliner, and I'm going to do my lower lash line with this. I feel like it's just going to open up and make this look just so much better. It'll just see the difference, how it just kind of makes your eyes pop and open up just a little bit more. And then that nude mixed with that purple and that pink is just giving, it's just everything. Now after this we'll do some lower lash line, and I'm just gonna go in. You can use any mascara you want, but I'm gonna use the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is probably one of my favorite wearable looks that I've ever done. Purple is just my color. I love the color purple. Growing up, my mom was like, oh, purple's my favorite color, and I'm like, ugh, I can't stand purple. But now that I'm older, it's like purple is that girl, you know, it is that color. So I love purple, and I'm really enjoy how this turned out. They blended so easily. If you have not picked this palette up, you can. It is available on her website, and I believe it's in most retailers by now. I was late to the game getting my box. So before I leave, at the beginning of the video, I told you I was going to show you the PR package, if that's something that you're interested in watching. If not, thank you for watching this tutorial. I appreciate you. So let's show you the PR box. Let me get everything together. Okay, I really have to back up for this. Okay. So this is how it came in the mail. I'm so excited. You know, ABH is my first actual company to give me PR, so this is amazing. I mean, look how beautiful. Norvina and Alyssa Edwards did an amazing job on this. And then we'll open it up. This is what it looks like on the inside. It comes with the palette, which I did not put back in the box. It comes with a fan, and then it comes with this beautiful mirror that says Beast. Again, I couldn't be more grateful for this package. Let's show y'all up close. This is the mirror. There we go. And it's so lovely. There's my beautiful face a million times. Mirrors, computer, monitor screen. And then of course I showed y'all the palette. And then my favorite thing that came out of this box, other than the palette, was this beautiful fan. First try, let's go. Oh, it didn't work. But this is the fan that came with it. Alyssa Edwards, again, this is just amazing. Let's try to pop it again. Okay, that was better. Thank you for watching this. If you like the tutorial and the video, please give it a big thumbs up. I know I've been gone for a minute, and I'm so sorry, but I am going to try to get y'all videos up. I know I say that every time, but I have been really trying to get my Instagram to grow and get better so I can get more people over there. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can, and Twitter. I'm very active, and then also I'm on some new Facebook groups to help promote myself. So if y'all guys would like, you can share and like my videos or my pictures. It means a lot to me. We are actually starting to go places with this makeup, and it's so exciting. I love to play with makeup, y'all know that. So let me stop blabbing my mouth. Thank you for watching. Again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And other than that, y'all guys have a very blessed day. Always remember to show love and kindness, because you may be the only Jesus that someone sees today. Bye, y'all.